This isn't the home for everyone. If you're looking for a cookie cutter home in a crowded neighborhood, this isn't it. But if you've been dreaming of your very own garden with trees, herbs, flowers, and your very own chicken coop, this is the one you've been waiting for. Come with me and take a look. Step inside to discover this lovely 4-bedroom, 2-bath home with a spacious and open layout. Tiled throughout, tray ceilings with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a laundry room. The split bedroom layout provides privacy with 3 bedrooms and a full bath on one side for guests. This modern home features hurricane impact windows and no HOAs. The outdoor area extends your living space with a patio and a covered screen lanai. One thing I love most about this property is the garden space. You can plant flowers, herbs, fruit trees, and make it your very own. Just imagine having meals with ingredients from your very own backyard. The private owner suite offers walk-in closets, tray ceilings, an ensuite bathroom offering a soaking tub, and a spacious shower. And here's something truly unique, a functional chicken coop. Just imagine coming out here in the morning and having fresh eggs right at home. If you are ready to embrace farm-to-table lifestyle, well, this is the home for you. This isn't just a property, it's a lifestyle, yet conveniently located. Only 50 minutes to Fort Myers Beach, 30 minutes to the RSW International Airport. If you would like to schedule your private showing today, call Josephine Perilli with Realty One Group MVP at 239-220-6844. Thanks for watching.